So here we have the Hyundai IX35 1.7 CRDI-S on a 65 plate. Just going to show you around the outside of the car and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the boot, you'll see we have plenty of space in there, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat. And then if we lift up this tray section just here, we have even more space should you need it, and the tyre inflation kit as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. The seats are as good as new. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the top, you'll see the total miles for this car, which are 22,060. The information displayed above that can be changed by pressing a button on the steering wheel for various different bits of fuel economy information. And that button is just at the bottom of the steering wheel here. Over in the centre, we have the stereo for the car. So you can see we have FM and AM radio. This car's also got a CD player just there. And on top of that, we've got an auxiliary input and a USB input as well. So plenty of ways to listen to your music in this car. Working our way down, we have the hazard warning light just there. And then the air conditioning for the car. So fan speed is adjustable on this dial. Temperature over on this one. Hit that button to turn the air conditioning on, and obviously the same again if you want to turn it off. And then you can determine where within the car you'd like the air to be distributed. That button will recirculate the air that's in the car currently. So that's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you set on this dial here. Underneath that section we have two 12-volt charging sockets, the auxiliary and USB input that I mentioned a moment ago, and a 6-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.